So today in this session, I'm going to show you the power of AI. So I'm using ChatGPT to show you a very, very simple example. Here, what I'm doing is I have uploaded the NIST AI risk management framework, and I'm trying to query it. And this is nothing very special. We have seen this, that you can upload a document and talk to it. Very simple. We are doing it for some time. Now, what I want to show you that if I ask a question which is not a semantic search question, then this custom GPT can write a code for me to give me the answer. So this is the power of AI, and it is very scary because this is the first time in the human history where this technology can spawn itself and create itself. So all the technology humankind have seen from the time of maybe steam engine, telephone, electricity, internet, it cannot create itself, but AI can create itself. So just to show you this example, let me go to this custom GPT. It's called Power of GPT. And I have uploaded a NIST document. So let's watch this here in this window. We'll go about this custom GPT in a minute. So now I want to ask this GPT a question, and it knows everything about the NIST AI risk management framework. And I'm asking, tell me how many controls are there about risk tolerance. And it says, but does not provide a specific number of control exclusively dedicated to risk tolerance. No, I just need a count of risk tolerance for the whole document. Right? Now, this is not a semantic search because I am looking for the count. And you see here, it starts writing a Python code to solve my query. And the result is 16. Now, it should blow your mind because now you can see that AI can go beyond itself and it can start writing code to solve your problem. Now, with this simple example, your imagination should run wild. Like so many things you can do, you can literally have a personal assistant who can do things for you. And if that assistant doesn't know how to solve, it can write a code to solve your problem. And there can be n number of examples where you can use this power of AI. One example we are using in our company, like I have thousands and thousands of resumes of different people for different technology. And if I want to know, give me number of engineers I have who know .NET and Java, for example, and who are expert in Cosmos DB. So that count result also can come back through this kind of ChatGPT. Whereas before we couldn't do that because that's not a semantic search. It would have said, I don't know how many, but now it can write the code for you and solve your problem. Now let's take a quick look how this custom GPT is written. And for that, I just took the prompt here in this document. So this is the prompt. This prompt is telling that persona is this, that you are an research assistant, you know everything about artificial intelligence risk management framework, which we have uploaded as knowledge, as part of the knowledge. And now in the context, we say, your primary goal is to determine the best method for retrieving the requested information. You can do a semantic search, or you can do a Python-based processing. If calculation, aggregation, filtering are required, generate a Python script. A combination of both if necessary. And your task is analyze the query and classify, is it a semantic search or you need a Python code. And if there's a hybrid approach, use both of this approach. So as you can see, it's a very simple prompt where we just told custom GPT that write a code if needed, else just find out from your knowledge base and give me the answer. So hopefully this is good enough example for you to learn how you can build your own custom GPT to do things which goes beyond the knowledge which we are providing to the custom GPT, because it can literally go and write a code to solve your problem. And you can see here the more capabilities are there. It can web search also, and it can interpret the code and do the data analysis for you. So hopefully this will give you some idea that how you can create your own custom GPTs. And in the next session, maybe we will talk about how you can create new actions so you can really augment your custom GPTs with the new actions. These actions are nothing but extra tools you are giving to your chat GPT. So let me know how you are using this knowledge of custom GPTs to simplify your life and create some assistant which can help you with your day-to-day work and help you achieve work-life balance and let AI do most of the boring and repetitive tasks for you.